Okay, everybody, this is a Nama juicer, and I just got through juicing a lot of stuff in here. So for those of you who do not have a Nama and you're looking to get one, I'm going to show you the different parts that is to this Nama and how to take it apart. They're like, this Nama juicer is really good for juicing fruits and vegetables, but the cleaning part is a little tedious. But anyway, let's get into how to take this Nama apart. Okay, so first you have this top one. This one. Then you get the big base right here, which I don't want to take that off just yet because my camera probably won't pick it up. I'll take this the middle part. See, I had a little rough time taking it out of there. This is the middle part. The middle part comes with two parts. So you have this, which juices it, and then you have this part. So it's just two, and then three. So this is 4 parts already. And then the big base, which it has all the gook in there. Yep. So you all can see it better. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have 5 parts that you have to clean. Plus you have to wipe down this little surface. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. I just wanted to show you all how to take it apart, and I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. So stick around for that. Okay, so now I'm back with the second part of this video. I showed you all how to take it apart. Now I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. I washed it. I washed everything. This is the base. And just set it on here like that. Bam. And then this part goes next. This is the second part. Just slide it in there. And then this part goes next. And then this part goes next. There we go. And then you have this part. Sometimes I have problems with this part because sometimes it don't be want to latch on. But you sit it in there and then you bam. When you hear that click, if you don't hear that click, then it's not on there. Click. And that is how you put together your Nama. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and I'll be back with more videos to come. This is Let's Get Alkaline. Peace.